Hi everyone, and today we're going to be juicing, and we're juicing my favorite fruit, which is watermelon. I love watermelon. It's so refreshing and so good for you. You might like to tell me what you think it's good for. That's always interesting to talk about. But anyway, here it is. At the moment we're going to turn it into a mocktail or a cocktail. So let's see how we go. So we've got our food processor, part of our Cook Expert, and we're going to use the juicer attachment. So we're just popping that juicer attachment on like so. It just pops on very easily. Then we put the top in. Now you'll see here, there's that little part on one section of it that actually locks on. So it needs to go just to the side like so. Now this is the feed, so you just pop that on like so, and that just helps you to put your whatever you're juicing up there onto there. So it's really quite simple. So now we're going to just turn it across and turn it on. It goes automatically to food processor, and we're going to feed our watermelon in and juice it. So just watch how quickly it does it. Really quick and easy, and I'll show you. It juices all of the juice out of the fruit. So you'll see, if you actually have a look here, I'll take that off. That just comes off really easily to clean. If you have a look here, it's so dry. It's so very dry. So it uses up really, look at it. It's unbelievable how much it actually juices and how dry that vegetable, the fruit is afterwards. So that's our juice. I'm going to add a bit of lime juice to it like that. Okay, beautiful. Put it off. And look at the colour of it. Oh, spectacular. Really beautiful. Now you can drink it just like that, or you can add a bit of tequila to it and enjoy a cocktail. But for now, I'm just going to have it as a refreshing watermelon juice. Cheers!